Hey guys, how you doing? This is Jibril for the SPX Ninja. Welcome to Tuesday, May 29th. Hope everyone had a nice long weekend and we are getting ready to get back into the action. So looking at the S&P 500, we have been anticipating this break of the triangle, which we've gotten, and then a potential pullback. Now, I have to be completely honest, I am not completely clear what is going on at this moment. There's a couple of scenarios, so we have to try to go with what we can see at what the market is showing us at the moment, and then try to figure out what might be happening next. What I have now is potentially the wave one up did not complete, and we have a potential this pullback because it has been so shallow so far. I think it might not be the wave two correction that I've been talking about. It might be just the wave four of this. This was a three here, and this is just a wave four of it. And if that is the case, then we had an A pullback, then a B into a triangle, and then a C. And the likely target for C would be the same length as A, which, if I measured it correctly, should be at today's low, overnight low. So it's possible that this could have ended. And however, since the market is going downwards, let's keep the presumption that it will continue downwards a little bit longer. So today, just keep looking for potential break of this low and then a pop up. But I am anticipating maybe they will get one more wave five up, which would, if I measure from the wave. Wait, actually, let me do it again. If I measure the wave wave 1 to 3, and then project it from 4, it could be around 2784-ish area. Whoops. So this could be the area where wave 1 may end. So if we see a bounce, then let's look for 2780-ish area for the completion of this wave 1 out of this triangle. Again, just to remind everyone, this is one of the scenarios that I'm considering. The other one, I'm going to start presenting it because it is becoming more and more likely. And if you see here, I have this drawn a pullback into A, and then a triangle into B, and a pullback into C. This is what I'm thinking may be happening on this larger scale here. So let me switch to the other chart. And when we look at this, we have pullback into A, a potential triangle into B, and then a pullback into C coming. So that could also be a potential possibility. Now, if that is the case, then we are at the top of the triangle and we've just gotten rejected from it. So it is possible for us to pull back to D and then pull back up into E and then sell off into C. So what we need to do is keep in mind that today's sell-off may have a potential to get bigger. So it's very, very important to today follow the market action and see if the sell-off picks up steam, then we have the potential to continue downwards. And if it doesn't, and if we see a bounce, then it's possible that we can go upwards. So again, we'll let the market dictate what it wants to do. At the current moment, it is selling off, so there's no reason to expect this bounce. Let's see how far we go, and from there we can make our assumption as to what may be happening next. At this point, I am sorry, I don't have much more clarity on the situation. It is doing the sell-off. This sell-off, which is what I was looking for last week, had to happen in any scenario, whether it was a pullback in a longer term up move or it was a start of a next leg down to the triangle. So we are getting that. So let's see how far this goes, and then the reaction here will dictate where we're going to go next. The reason, I just want to remind everyone, the reason that I've kind of switched over to this scenario is that I think there's still too much bullishness in the market on that triangle break, and now everybody expecting that to be a triangle, this triangle break to resume the bull market. And I think there's a little too much optimism. And also the seasonality, May and June are typically the worst for the S&P 500 historically. So it's possible that we are in some more complex correction. But again, I don't want to overthink what the situation is. We'll just follow the market. Today, we'll play to the downside, and then when we see a bounce, and if it's strong, then we can expect to move upwards. All right, that's all that I have for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day trading.